When it comes to security, banks are under a microscope. For their security, the First National Bank of Long Island increased the number of characters required for user passwords. Although a complex password raises the bar in security, it also creates a drain on the IT staff when users experience lockouts or simply forget their password. The First National Bank of Long Island decided to move to biometrics to support their multi-factor authentication. They needed a fingerprint reader that supported Windows 7, their current environment, and supported Windows 10, which they plan to upgrade to in the near future. Their goal of securing access to the device blossomed into wanting to use biometric authentication across multiple applications, incorporating single sign-on and multi-factor authentication. The addition of BioKey solutions helped the bank in many ways. BioKey fulfilled the bank's desire to deploy a strong multi-factor authentication solution. The workflow was streamlined and optimized by the ease of one-touch instant authentication. BioKey has also supported other banks and credit unions with biometric solutions. Go biometric today. Go BioKey.